In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen eyes in Photoshop CC. This quick tutorial will help you enhance the details in your subject's eyes, which can make a substantial difference in the impact of your photos. The eyes are often considered the focal point of a portrait, so having them sharp and clear is crucial. Let's dive right into the process. To start off, you'll need to open Adobe Photoshop and ensure you have your image ready. It's important that you're using an image where the eyes are relatively clear and well photographed, as this will make the whole process much easier. Once your image is open, we're going to focus first on selecting the area you intend to sharpen. For selecting the eyes, the easiest way is to use the lasso tool. This tool helps you draw freeform segments around the object you want to isolate. So go ahead and select the lasso tool from the toolbar on the left-hand side. With your lasso tool active, click and drag around one of the eyes, carefully outlining its shape. It's okay to zoom in if you need precision during this step. Accuracy is key here. Once you've completed your selection, it's time to apply the sharpening effect. Navigate to the menu at the top of your screen and find the filter option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, look for Sharpen. The Sharpen filters are particularly useful for bring out the details and enhancing the contrast and textures, making them ideal for eye detail enhancement. There are a few different sharpening options available, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on using Smart Sharpen. Smart Sharpen allows more precise control over the sharpening process. Once you select it, a new dialog box will appear. Within this box, you'll see several sliders. You might need to experiment with these, but as a general guideline, keep the amount slider around 150% and the radius to match the details of your image, typically around 1.5 pixels. You want to make sure the eyes are clearly defined but not overdone, as this can make the image appear unnatural. After adjusting your settings, click OK to apply the sharpening. You'll notice the eyes should now appear crisper and more focused. This simple effect can bring life to your photograph, making the eyes pop and enhancing the overall composition. And that's it. Just a few easy steps to make the eyes in your photos stand out like never before. Practice this technique on different images to get a feel for how much sharpening works best for you. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about other techniques you'd like to learn. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!